Hi guys, so now all our flowers are in, our focal, our Santa is in. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to put in our, I call them the special ornaments, you know, the ornaments, the nice, really nice ones. These ones we design here, they're the Heart of Goodwill ornaments. And what I do is, all the ornaments, put them in a good spot so that you know, you really can see them. So first we take the good spots, and what I like to do is grab a part of the tree and then wrap it around, and then you see it really sits well. It's not all hanging. So, and if you get them in a really good spots at the beginning, then we can fill the rest of the tree in with glass and other ornaments. So, okay. So see, what I would do is go around and fill it with all the good spots, and then with our glass, see, then we can come back and fill it in between, like good fillers. Again, I'm going to put them in the same way. So we grab a part of the tree and then wrap it around. See, then it sits really fantastic. Okay, so we're going to finish doing that, and then we're going to show you how to make special ribbons to really make a big ribbon in the top and some little cheeky ones here.